It has a cute cap and cute eyes. We three are going to make this. This is Dakshita and this is Mansi. Let's start making it. The materials required for this is 2 socks, that is white, and some design. We need a fabric glue, some pins, scissors, and a ribbon.
Rava or anything like rice to fill up inside the socks, rubber bands, buttons.
Now let's start cutting the socks. First you have to cut it here, like this. Okay, we finished cutting, we'll cut the other side. Again here. Yeah, we finished cutting the socks. Now we will put the rubber bands. Okay, now we'll open the socks like this. Then we'll put this, first you have to fold it like this. Okay, now we finished folding it. Now we'll just put the rubber band. You have to make it tight because this is the bottom. Okay, now we'll go inside and just make it a bit tight. Okay, now we finished doing that. It can come sometimes outside, you have to put it little front. Yeah, now we finished it. Now we'll fill the rice flour. Okay, you have to fill it inside this. Okay, like this we have to fill. Yeah, now we finished filling it. Now we'll put the rubber band here. Sometimes it will be not enough, you have to pour more. Yeah, now we will put the rubber band here. Okay, we finished putting the rubber band. Now we'll make the head and the body. Here you have to fill it like this. You have to hold it like this, okay? That would become the head and the body. Then you have to put the rubber band. Yeah, we put the rubber band. Okay, we put the rubber band now. Just we'll keep it side and we'll make a hat now. First, you have to take this socks again and you have to cut the same place. Okay, we finished this side cutting. Now we'll just cut it here. For the last time, we have cut it little more because that's the body and the head. Now we are making the head. That should be little bit small. we finished cutting it. Now we will take a rubber band. Okay, now we took it. We'll just do the same thing. Again, we'll fold it like this. Okay, then we'll put a rubber band here. Okay, we put the rubber band, we'll make the same thing here. Okay, now we'll put the hat for the snowman. Okay, now we made it. Sometimes it will become big, so you can cut it a little more. Yeah. Now you can put the hat for this. Okay, see the snowman. Now we'll put the eyes here. I've taken 2 black and 1 red pen. Okay. First you have to put it like this. First we'll put the nose. Then we'll put the eyes. And we will take 1 more pen there. See, we put 1 more pen here, like this here, because it should not come out. Now we put the pen. You can put 1 more also here. Yeah, we put it.
Now let's take the fabric glue and complete the snowman by sticking the buttons and giving it the scarf.
First we'll stick it like this. Then we'll stick it here. For your snowman, how many buttons will need, you can do it. For our snowman, it's 2. Okay? Now we finish sticking it, let it dry.
Now we'll go on with the ribbon. The ribbon's length is up to you.
Yeah, we'll just tie it as a scarf. The face is so cute in this. Yeah, we'll tie it properly. Yeah. Oops, it fell down. It's okay. We can stick it again. Yeah, now we finished sticking the snowman button and we have done the scarf.
We hope it was easy to make the snowman with us.
Like my video, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank